welcome to my channel Technical Things. And in this video we are going to download a video on our PC. So the video that we are downloading is of our channel and we uploaded that. So let's start it. Firstly, open your browser where you will search youtube.com. Okay. Then you have to sign in with the account from which you have uploaded the video, and then you have to go to your logo and then your YouTube studio. After picture you have to go to contents on this page and then select the video that you want to download. So this is the shorter one, so I am downloading this. So now you have to press the three dots which video you want to download. So I want to download this video, so I am clicking on these three dots and then you have to just select the download option. So after some time the download will start here and the notification you can see has shown. So let's check also that it is working or not. If this video will not redirect you to your browser, it means it is downloading successfully. So now see this, it is downloading in PC or here, showing folder. So as you can see it is downloading at the system. Okay, so as you can see it is downloaded. Let's check does it is working or not. So firstly go to your PC and then go to download tab from here, or you can simply go from here. And then this is the title which I downloaded. So now open this to check it. Okay, so as you can see it is
options view using Kali.
As you can see this video is working properly. So this is all about the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and like this video and subscribe also my channel. Thanks for watching.